Hi Ray, just a quick one. With the map, I noticed that yesterday that upon zooming in and zooming out, one of these switch colors was activated, and the blue marker, the region marker, so you can see this isn't quite right. If these are green, any of them are green, the region marker should be green as well. And clicking on them will work. What I did was reset it up. As you can see now, that region marker was green in the middle yesterday, and now today I've come back, and after a period of time the region marker has now turned blue. So as I said, it won't happen straight away. I'll leave that one. This is on the demo page so that you can investigate it. If I just go to this one, for instance, Cape Le Grand, if I am to switch color, the marker goes green. Switch color again to grey. That's correct. Go back. I can't actually. I can't go back to. Okay, so click on all grey, all blue. So this is kind of what I did yesterday. I just switched a couple of them, well actually exactly like the other one. Viewed, and then I switched a couple to green. So I just switched a couple of them to green, one or two, doesn't matter. And that's how I left it yesterday. And then as I said today, let's zoom out, while that marker is green now, this one was green yesterday but now it's blue. Hopefully you can have a look at that and investigate why after a period of time the region marker is reverting to blue. Thanks, Ray.